Okay, boys and girls, so today's strategy is going to be taking away from the whole number. So you see our number sentence up here, 9 minus 5 equals, we don't know. So the smart thing to do is always fill out your number bond first. Now, if you remember from my first video, subtraction is whole minus part equals part. So let's fill it in. 9 is the whole number, 5 is the part, and we don't know the other part. So when we're taking away, the first thing you do is draw out the whole number. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw out 9. And in my class, I always teach my students to draw it out kind of like a tens frame because it makes it easier to count. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tens frame has 5 on top and 5 on bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I have 9 drawn out. Now I'm going to take away the part that I know. And the part that I know is 5. Well, if you drew it like a tens frame, you know in a tens frame it is 5 on top and 5 on bottom. So we already have 5 up top. All we need to do is mark out 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the answer. Okay? So this is the strategy that we're using today, which is to take away from the whole number. So now let's do another one. Okay? Our next problem is going to be 10, take away, we don't know, equals 4. Okay, first things first, fill in your number bond so it helps you see what you're missing. And if you remember, subtraction is whole minus part equals part. Okay, so we know the whole number is 10. We know the part is 4. We need to find out this part. So we draw out our whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take away the part that we know. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's left? 5 on top plus 1 more is 6. 6 is the missing number. 6 is the part we didn't know. All right, let's do it again. Remember, subtraction is whole minus part equals part. Okay, our next one is going to be 7 minus 2 equals, we don't know. First things first, fill out your number bond to help you see it. 7 is the whole number, 2 is the part. We don't know the other part. So we're taking away today from the whole number, so draw it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away 2, and since it's in a tens frame, it looks like it's in a tens frame, it's so easy to see the 2 down here. 1, 2. What's left? 5 on top, but let's count it to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Let's do one more, and then I'm going to let you go, and you're going to practice it in the student template. I'm going to have 5 problems for you to practice today, and I want you to use the taking away strategy to solve it today. And tomorrow, you're going to use a different strategy. Okay? So our next problem is 6 minus, we don't know, equals 3. So fill in the number bond first. The whole number is 6. The part we don't know, but the part we do know is 3. Draw out your whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away the part we know, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. And what do we have left? 3. Hey, what do you know? That's a doubles fact. All right, guys. So today we practice taking away from the whole number. On the student template, you're going to see a number sentence and a number bond. And then I want you to fill out the number bond and then use the taking away strategy to solve the 5 problems that are below. All right, I can't wait to see how well you do.